Chicago's skyline continues to expand and impress, and perhaps signify some of the huge investments that have been made in the city. In recent years, an increasing amount of that investment has come from China businesses. In 2016, trade between Chicago and China reached more than $35 billion.
Mayor Manuel in 2013 signed a first ever agreement with the Ministry of Commerce in China and 8 Chinese cities to expand economic opportunity agreement. And since that time, we've increased foreign direct investment from China about 100%.
A number of China companies have established regional headquarters in Chicago, including Hainan Airlines, as well as car parts manufacturer Wanshang America Corporation. Chicago is home to one of the most vibrant Chinatowns in the U.S., and the community here continues to play a key role in improving trade relations between the city and China. That point was emphasized at a recent event to celebrate the 40th anniversary of China-U.S. diplomatic relations. The event also marked the assumption of office of China's new Consul General, Zhao Jian, who will be based in Chicago. U.S. lawmakers, both past and present, were in attendance. But the focus for many remains the ongoing trade dispute between the U.S. and China. Recent media reports of a potential agreement between the two countries was widely welcomed.
Well, my hope is that we can get this settled and get us both back on track to the progress we've made over the last 40 years. We've got some really great opportunities ahead of us if we can work together, and helping businesses from both countries see the benefit of working with each other.
I think this is a very important relationship for both countries, probably the most important one right now. And as that trade relationship is, it's a very complicated one, but I'm very optimistic that we can come to a resolution that benefits both sides, where we both are able to grow.
World Business Chicago's Andrea Zopp says the dispute has been a real concern, but she too is now optimistic for the future.
The mayor's been so very clear about the fact that we continue to open doors and build strong relationships with our Chinese business partners. So what we're trying to do is make sure that businesses know that to the extent we can manage and control the issues here in Chicago, we will.
This event in Chicago is a celebration of the relationship between China and the U.S. Many here remain hopeful those ties can be strengthened further in the future. Dan Williams, CGTN, Chicago.